Why am I always needy in my relationships? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to answer this question. Why am I always needy in my relationships? Basically, as I said, it's not your fault, okay? As human, we always act by habit. Your love life is like a pattern. So basically, you will repeat the same actions. And your mind, your brain, will make you think that it's normal. You will feel confident to do the same mistake again and again. So it's not your fault, but you can act today and change your love life. We are always needy because of the society, okay? It's simple. We are missing some self-confidence. We are always putting our girlfriend, boyfriend, or ex on a pedestal. So we always think that we are not enough. And it's time for you to ask the people around you, what do they love about you? Ask them, what do you love about me? And you can jot all the qualities that you have and that you're not seeing. So the reason why you're needy is because you don't know your value. The reason number two why you're needy is because you're always doing the same mistake again and again. So basically, you will have the fear to lose your partner and you will create the same actions. You will think that these are good actions, but unfortunately, they are not. Okay? So it's a pattern that we need to change. And I know what you will say. You will ask me, but Alex, how can I change it? How can I stop being always needy in my relationship? Tools and tips number one, it's all about controlling your mind. So you have to do what I call self-hypnosis, okay? You have to close your eyes, you have to look at your situation, and you have to imagine that everything will go right. You have to define what will be the best relationship for you. And you will come from being needy to being proactive, meaning that you will be leader of your relationship. You can do it just by closing your eyes and by just imagining your life. It's something easy that I really want you to do because it's powerful. Tips number two, when I ask you, how can I stop being needy in my relationship? You have to make sure that you will control your emotions. Stay away from your phone because this is where you need to text your boyfriend, girlfriend, ask them to go out. Basically, if you do that all the time, you let your emotions win. So put your phone away and spend good time with your family, with your friends, and with yourself, okay? You have to dedicate time. This is why I always tell the people that I coach, just grab a calendar, okay? You have your calendar from Monday to Sunday, and you will jot inside everything that you need to do to maintain your mind focus on you and not on your partner. The best way to stop being needy in your relationships is to put your mindset and your attention somewhere else. And it's time for you to dream about your life. It's time for you to fight for your professional goals. Every time that you will focus on your relationship, you will let your emotions win. And this is not what we want. Tips number three, if you ask me, Alex, why am I always needy in my relationships? It's because you don't love your life and you don't love yourself. So it's all about personal development. You need to have a coach. And this is why I'm always saying, come on our website and book a private coaching session with Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, with Coach Adrian and myself. Let people that are expert in their domain helping you. Why do you stay in this stage of mind where you think that you will be able to be happy just because you're in a relationship? This is a huge mistake. I want you to change this vision. I want you to take control of your life. Because being needy in relationship, it's a pattern. You will be needy again and again until you work on yourself, until you get control of your life, and until you decide to value who you are. Okay? So it's time for you to do it, and it starts with a comment right below this video. I want you to smash the like button and also to subscribe to this amazing community. Imagine from all over the world, there is men and women that wants to be happy in love, that wants to change their personal life, and also that wants to regain some self-confidence. And I'm here for you, and I'm proud to be your relationship expert. If you want to go further, I created a special online training called How to Fight the Codependency. You can find this special training in the description box right below. Click on it and change your life. Click on it and just regain some self-confidence because you deserve the best. So I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult when you were needy for years and years and years to just imagine that one day you will stop being needy. But if you can imagine it, you can do it. This is what Walt Disney was saying. We don't want to focus on the image of love that they gave us, the education, but we want to dream our life, okay? So please, ladies and guys, it's time to change it. It's time to act, and it's time to be stronger. I will see you soon for a new video. Don't forget to subscribe to this Love Advice TV YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye-bye, guys.